Welcome to Science in a Nutshell, where the universe looks less like a cosmic masterpiece and more like a glitchy video game. Let's talk about the black hole, basically the universe's version of delete forever. Imagine a star so done with life, it collapses into itself. That's not depression, folks. That's physics. Anything, and I mean anything, that gets too close, stars, gone. Planets, gone. Your Wi-Fi signal, already gone. Light itself can't escape. That's right, even light goes, nope, I'm out. And here's the kicker. If you fell into one, time slows down, which means congratulations, you're now the world's slowest TikTok. Oh, and what's inside? Nobody knows. Could be endless space, could be the universe's trash folder, or maybe just your old embarrassing Facebook posts. So yeah, black holes. Proof that the universe is the biggest comedian out there. That's it. This was Science in a Nutshell. Don't forget to subscribe because the universe isn't the only thing sucking people in. My channel is too.
No refunds.